So I was scrolling through the news articles, and this showed up. And as I seen this air conditioner, wall air conditioner, I came up with a really cool idea for an air conditioner, much cheaper, much more affordable, and a new way to create cold air. And it's unlimited and it's free. I don't use less electricity, a lot less. Uh, 80% less probably electricity I would use. I just came up with it, and it's 9:04 a.m. July 22nd. Yeah, it says not enough storage. I know, you dummies, to back anything up. I hate that, it's annoying. Pay $4 a month. I only paid it to get email because I have another YouTube channel that nobody knows about. Well, except for like 600 people maybe who's subscribed to that YouTube channel. And nobody knows about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think.